This video shows how to set up and install your HP Envy 7640, Officejet 5740, or 8040E all-in-one printer. Follow these steps to unbox and set up your HP printer. First, unpack the printer from the box. Remove the printer from the box. Then remove all tape, stickers, and packing material from the outside of the printer. Open the scanner lid. Remove all tape and packing material from the scanner glass. Then close the scanner lid. Next, open the ink cartridge access lid. Remove all tape and packing materials from inside the printer. Then close the ink cartridge access lid. Remove the output tray. Pull out the main paper tray. Then remove all tape and packing materials from the photo tray. Push in the photo tray. Slide the paper width guides out, then remove all tape and packing materials from inside the paper tray. Place the output tray back into the printer, then push the paper tray in until it locks into place. Remove all hardware and materials from the box before recycling the box and packing materials. To set up your preferences using the control panel, follow these steps. First, connect the power cord to the back of the printer. Then plug the other end into a wall outlet. Press the power button to turn on the printer. Select your language on the printer control panel. Then touch Continue. Select your country or region. Then touch Continue. Then touch Continue Setup. Set the month, day, and year. Then touch Continue. Set the time. Then touch Continue to complete the preferences setup. Follow these steps to install the ink cartridges that came in the box with your printer. Open the ink cartridge access lid by placing your fingers under the small handles on the sides of the ink cartridge access lid and lifting up. Remove the ink cartridge from its packaging. Pull the orange tab to remove the protective tape. Do not touch the copper-colored contacts or ink nozzles. Handling these parts can result in clogs, ink failure, and bad electrical connections. Slide the new ink cartridge at an upward angle into the empty slot. Then, gently push up on the ink cartridge until it snaps into place. Place the tricolor ink cartridge in the left slot and the black ink cartridge in the right slot. Repeat these steps to install the other ink cartridge. Close the ink cartridge access lid. Follow these steps to load plain white paper into the main paper tray. First, pull the paper tray toward you to open it. Push in the photo tray as far as possible. Slide out the paper width guides as far as possible. Tap paper on a hard surface to align the stack. Push the stack of paper into the input tray until the paper stops. Slide the paper width guides in until they touch the edge of the paper. Do not push the guides in so tightly that they start to bend the paper. Push in the main paper tray until it locks into place. Adjust the print settings using the touchscreen. Wait for the printer to calibrate and align the ink cartridges. A printer calibration successful screen displays. An alignment page prints. If the alignment page does not print, follow these steps to complete the alignment. On the printer control panel, scroll to touch the setup icon. Scroll to touch Printer Maintenance. Then touch Align Printer. Follow the instructions on the control panel to complete the alignment process. An alignment page prints. Touch OK to continue. If the alignment is not successful, print quality will default to factory settings. Touch OK to continue. Follow these steps to install the printer driver and connect to the internet using a USB, wireless, or wired network connection. Open your browser and go to 123.hp.com. Select your printer from the drop-down menu. Then click Begin. Click Download. Then click Open, Save, or Run to download the printer driver to your computer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the driver installation and connection setup. Your printer has the capability to print documents and photos, scan, fax, and copy. To print a document, click File, then click Print. Click Print again to confirm your print choice. To print photos, first load photo paper into the photo tray. Navigate to your photo, right-click, then click Print. Click Print again to confirm. Photos and documents can both be scanned using the scanner glass. Documents can also be scanned using the Automatic Document Feeder, or ADF. Load the document print side down on the scanner glass, using the guides around the glass to position it accurately. If you're using the Automatic Document Feeder, load the document print side up in the feeder tray. Do not load photos into the ADF. Touch Scan on the printer control panel. Then follow the instructions on the panel to scan the document. To fax a document, you must have an active telephone landline. Make sure the telephone is connected to the phone jack and the back of the printer. Load the document into the ADF. Then touch Fax on the printer control panel. Touch Send Now. Select the number you want to send the fax to. Then touch either black or color to send the fax. You can copy a document or photo using the scanner glass. You can also copy a document using the Automatic Document Feeder, or ADF. Load the document print side down on the scanner glass, using the guides around the glass to position it accurately. If you're using the Automatic Document Feeder, load the document print side up in the feeder tray. Do not load photos into the ADF. Touch Copy, then follow the instructions on the printer control panel to copy the document. You can find additional helpful videos at hp.com/support videos and on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/HP Printer Support.